This video will show you how to change your Alde digital control panel for the new Alde Touch Control Panel as fitted to the Bailey Unicorn 2 range of caravans. The new timer will give you easier control of your heating and hot water, as well as all the other functions which were available but were hard to use on the old timer. Parts you will require are an Alde 3010-613 touch control panel in silver and the Alde 3010-517 retrofit frame, also in silver. These parts are available online for about £185. The Bailey Silver Fascia, part number 1010225, will complete the conversion kit. This is available direct from Bailey Caravans for approximately £15. This whole project can be completed for about £200. To begin the conversion, you firstly need to remove the brown fascia panel. This can be removed easily with the use of a flat-headed screwdriver. You place the screwdriver at the base of the panel somewhere near the middle. By slowly exerting a little bit of pressure, the fascia will pop off at the bottom. Then you can remove it slowly, starting at the bottom and finishing at the top. Once you have safely removed the brown fascia panel, you can now see clearly the 4 screws which are holding in the old Alde digital control unit. Remove the 4 screws and put them to one side safely. Pull the control unit forward. Take the back off by carefully pinching the sides and unplug the cable. You can then place the old control unit to one side. Once you have removed the old digital control unit, you will see that the hole that is left is rectangular, but the new touch control unit you have purchased is square. You can now use the retrofit frame that you have purchased as a template to work out where you are going to have to cut and remove some excess wood. Place the silver retro frame against the hole, ensuring that the inside edge at the top lines up with the inside edge of the existing hole. This will then allow you to mark at the base of the frame approximately a cutting of ½ inch from your existing wooden panel. Carefully cutting your wooden fascia panel using a hacksaw and craft knife, you should be able to remove the small surplus wood in about 5 minutes. Once you have finished cutting, it is beneficial to remove old dust and wood shavings from the area. Once you are satisfied that the new control panel unit is a nice fit, you will have to place the unit through the silver retro frame. Then you can plug in the existing wiring into the rear of the new control unit, remembering to replace the black cover at the back. slide the whole unit into the hole, and then carefully, using the 4 screws you saved from earlier, you will be able to attach the control unit and the panel to your wooden frame. Once this has been secured, before fitting any other parts, power up the unit, making sure that all the controls work and the panel is safe and secure. Once you're satisfied with its workings, you can then complete the job by adding the fascia panel to both the new touch control panel and also the Bailey silver fascia panel to the power controls. This is the job finished.